You aren't stuck because you lack discipline. You're stuck because you've been repeating the same patterns that make you weak for years. Think about it. Every morning you wake up without a clear plan. You scroll more than you create. You do the busy work to feel productive. And by the end of the day, nothing actually moves forward. And that's exactly why you feel busy, but remain stuck. Because progress doesn't come from being busy. It comes from doing the things that actually matter. And the worst part? You keep avoiding those things for months, maybe years. But the next 7 days can be enough to destroy your old version. Because in this video, I'm going to give you a 7-day hard reset challenge that can completely reset your brain, build discipline, and bring your focus back. So if you're serious about changing your life, then let's start with the first step. Step number 1, fix your daily habits. Your daily habits are the foundation of everything. And until you fix your foundation, you'll never fix anything in your life. Because if your days are built around scrolling, junk food, and avoiding hard things, that's exactly who you become. So for the next 7 days, your first rule is simple. Lock in your daily habits like your life depends on it. Wake up at the same time. Do something physical before touching your phone. Clean your environment. Hydrate your body. Eat clean. Sleep at a fixed time. Whatever it is, just make them non-negotiable. Because these aren't just habits. They're the operating system that runs your entire life. So for the next 7 days, stop negotiating with yourself. Because the life you want is hidden inside the habits you keep avoiding. 2, eliminate cheap dopamine. This step is going to break you before it builds you. Not because you're weak, but because your brain has been hijacked by cheap dopamine. And every hit of cheap dopamine is training your brain to chase easy rewards instead of meaningful effort. And until you fix it, you can't build anything that actually matters. So during this challenge, eliminate every distraction that's stealing your focus without giving you anything real in return. If Instagram, Facebook, or any other apps aren't helping you to build anything meaningful, then remove them completely for the next 7 days. No social media scrolling, no pornography, no gaming for hours. Because the more you feed your mind cheap pleasure, the weaker your ability becomes to do anything meaningful. So during this challenge, protect your attention at all costs, because attention is what controls your focus. And focus is what you need to build anything meaningful. 3, do the hard thing daily. This is where most people fail, not because they don't know what to do, but because they keep avoiding the one thing that actually matters, the thing they know they should be doing, but instead of doing it, they keep pushing it to tomorrow. And the worst part, tomorrow becomes a week becomes a month, and that's exactly why nothing moves forward. So for the next 7 days, do the one thing you keep avoiding, the thing that actually moves your life forward. It could be starting a YouTube channel, building a business, learning a new language, a new skill, whatever it is. Just identify the one thing and do it every single day with full focus. Even when you don't feel like it, even when your brain finds 1,000 reasons to skip. Because the hard thing isn't the obstacle, it's the path. And until you stop running from it, you'll never become the person you were meant to be. 4, daily self-reflection. The final rule of the challenge is simple. Track your progress daily, because what doesn't get measured doesn't get improved. So during this challenge, grab a notebook and write it all down honestly. What you did right, what you did wrong, and what you're going to fix tomorrow. Because 7 days of honest reflection will show you exactly where your time is going, what's pulling you forward, what's holding you back. And here's the most important part. Don't just track them, fix them. The moment you spot a weakness, fix it the very next day. Because tracking without action is meaningless. Real growth happens when you see the gap and immediately start closing it. So don't just track it, fix it. Because action is what builds unshakable confidence. And confidence is what turns weak into unstoppable. Now you have the complete challenge. But doing it for 1 or 2 days won't change anything. Follow these 4 steps every day for the next 7 days. That's all it takes to break the cycle that's been keeping you stuck. And once your momentum is built, keep going, because that's how real transformation happens. So if you're ready to take this challenge, comment "Challenge accepted." And before you scroll, like this video and subscribe to the Inspire Path.